Good morning, Sarah. Let's run through a few things. Mr. Thompson, the new diabetic, needs thorough education on insulin administration. We've had issues with his technique previously. Also, Mrs. Jenkins in room 3, the post-stroke patient, requires assistance with her mealtime feeding due to dysphagia. Please ensure someone supervises her closely. And young Leo, the child with the persistent cough, his parents are anxious. Confirm the next nebulizer time and reassure them. However, my most pressing concern involves Ms. Patel in room 6. Her recent blood pressure readings are critically elevated, and she's reporting a severe headache and blurred vision. I need you to initiate the urgent hypertensive crisis protocol immediately, including administering the stat labetalol and preparing for potential transfer to ED if her pressure doesn't respond rapidly. This is a time-critical situation to prevent end-organ damage.
Right, Dr. Mihira. So, for Ms. Patel, is the goal primarily to reduce her immediate discomfort?
While alleviating her headache is important, Sarah, the primary function of this intervention is to rapidly lower her blood pressure to prevent imminent cerebrovascular or cardiac complications. It's about organ protection.
Understood, Mihira. I'll get on it straight away. And Mr. Thompson's insulin teaching?
That can be done after Ms. Patel is stabilized and her transfer initiated, if necessary.
Mihira, first, I want to say that dealing with this ear infection must be very uncomfortable, and we are going to work together to manage it effectively. Your treatment will follow a careful, step-by-step process while you're here in the hospital. Initially, we need to get the serious infection under firm control. To do this quickly and powerfully, we will continue giving you antibiotics directly into your vein through a drip for several more days. This allows the medicine to work at full strength right where it's needed. Once we see clear signs that the infection is responding well, like your pain easing and your temperature staying normal, we will switch you to the same antibiotic in tablet form. This leads to the next, very important phase of your recovery. You will need to continue taking these antibiotic tablets at home for a fairly long period, typically 4 to 6 weeks. This is crucial to completely clear any lingering bacteria and prevent the infection from coming back. Before you go home, we will make sure you are completely comfortable with your medication schedule and understand exactly how and when to take your tablets to ensure a full and lasting recovery.